Hi, everyone. I'm Ellinor. I'm a pre-sales engineer at Genymotion, the company behind Genymotion, an Android emulator. In my daily work, I advise people on how they can speed up their mobile tests using different tools.
Hi, I'm Thomas. I'm QA manager at Genymotion. I'm in charge of improving tests in all our products. I'm also in charge to writing integration with several tools and our products. Thanks to this, I discover new tools, learn new process, and I evolve my testing skills.
Listen to our talk to learn the advantages of using ARM emulators for your mobile application testing to optimize costs and achieve better test coverage. When developing and testing Android apps, emulator can be used instead of real device for its instant availability. But you may face compatibility issues when developing and testing native applications because most emulators are x86 based. And this architecture is completely different from the ARM architecture of a real device.
To reduce these incompatibilities, ARM emulator and computers start to roll out. We will provide you tools and methods to improve your end-to-end mobile testing. Thanks.